So hello, back in a new lesson. Today we are going to work on the Pythagorean theorem. In this lesson we are going to find the missing side length of a right triangle by using the Pythagorean theorem and to determine whether the triangle is a right triangle or by using the converse of Pythagorean theorem. So we have some new vocabulary like legs. We will learn what is the meaning of the legs of triangle, what is the meaning of the hypotenuse of the triangle, and what is Pythagorean theorem. So in any right triangle, the sum of square of the length of the legs is going to be always equal to the square of the length of the hypotenuse. So here in this triangle, as it is a right angle triangle, we need to know some things. The legs of triangles are the two sides sharing the vertex or the right angle in the triangle, like A and B. Those are called legs of the triangle. And the biggest side in this triangle is always named the hypotenuse, and it's named with the letter C. So here in this triangle, according to the Pythagorean theorem, A power 2 plus B power 2 equals C power 2. So now we are going to write an equation that we can use to find the length of the missing side of this triangle. So we need to get the value of C. So C power 2 is going to be equal to A squared plus B squared, which is 9 power 2 plus 12 power 2. So 12 power 2 is 144 and 9 power 2 is 81. So 144 plus 81 equals C squared. Now we got that C squared equals 225. So in order to get the side C, or the length of the side C, it's going to be equal square root of 225, which will be equal to 15 or negative 15. But because this is a length, so it can never be in negative, so it always will be positive only. So the hypotenuse here is equal to 15 inches long. We can check for our answer by trying the 15 squared and the A squared plus B squared. Now let's check another example. Here in this triangle, it's giving me the hypotenuse and it's asking for one of the legs. So we will write the rule as it is. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. And instead of A, we are going to write 8 power 2. And instead of C, we are going to write 24 power 2. So now we have 64 plus B squared equals 576, which is 24 power 2 or 24 times 24. So in order to get the value of B squared, we are going to subtract 64 from each side. Accordingly, B squared will be equals 512. In order to get the value of just B, or the length of the leg B, we are going to get the square root of 512. We are going to pick only the positive answer, so it's going to be 22.6 meters. Don't forget to write the unit, okay? So we are then checking for reasonability. The legs will have to be always less than the hypotenuse, okay? Hope this was clear, guys.